Hey there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Crushrr review. Now, for those of you out there who are looking at getting into affiliate marketing and making some passive income online, this is definitely for you. If you know anything about affiliate marketing, you'll know that the fundamental way in order to do affiliate marketing is to create a niche website, and then you produce content with affiliate links sprinkled through your content, and then over time your traffic increases, more people visit your site, more people click on your links, and that means more revenue to your business. That's the general way that people get into affiliate marketing and content marketing. Now, what Crushrr is going to do is take that fundamental way of doing affiliate marketing and automating the elements that take the most amount of time, which of course is creating the actual content. In Crushrr, you're going to be able to automatically generate content and automatically have links from affiliate networks like Amazon automatically sprinkled in amongst that automatically generated content. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Crushrr so you can see exactly what that looks like, and as well as that, I've also hooked you up with some really great bonus products that are going to go hand in hand with Crushrr so you really hit the ground running with it and get the most out of it. So before we get into all that, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell notification if you want to be updated on new platforms coming out that are going to help you make money online. Now, if at any time you want to jump ahead in this video and check out Crushrr on your own, make sure you click the link in the description, because that way you'll be entitled to all of these bonuses that I've gotten for you. So by clicking that link in the description, you'll go through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Legal stuff at the top, my contact details there. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Crushrr vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, that will lock in all of these bonuses before then sending you off to the Crushrr website. If you do decide to purchase, you will then get not only Crushrr, but all of my bonuses all together in one big bundle that you can access immediately. Now, the first bonus I've gotten for you really quickly is called Find My Niche. And I threw this in there because one thing that most people get wrong when they get into affiliate marketing of any type is they get step one wrong. And if you get step one wrong, you're going to go off in the wrong direction for all the consecutive steps. You need to find a niche. And even when using Crushrr, I would recommend finding a niche. So maybe you are selling, exercise equipment, garden equipment, basically whatever interests you is best. There is money to be made in every niche, even the peculiar ones. You should select the niche that interests you, and you should focus your website around that niche. So let's say you create a website called gardenfurniture.com, and then you spin content around garden furniture, and you get affiliate links for selling garden furniture from Amazon, and you stick with that. And if you want to sell different kind of things, I would create a different kind of website than that. It's better to be a specialist than a generalist. This product, Find Your Niche, is going to help you how to do that. Find the best niches, the most profitable niches. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit, and this is a training that goes deeper into affiliate marketing. So while the Crushrr platform is a tool for you to automate a lot of the tasks you're doing with affiliate marketing, there isn't a hell of a lot of background on the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. So I threw this product in there so you can really understand how it all works so that you can better utilize Crushrr. The next bonus I've gotten for you is called Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies. Now, whenever you're creating any kind of online business, you need to have this awareness of your sales funnel and what it is. Basically, if you're using Crushrr, your sales funnel will be pretty basic. It will look something like drive traffic from social media and SEO, drive it to your website, drive it to your content, then your visitors look at the content, they click on links, and maybe they enter your email somewhere on your website, you capture that, and then you can maybe send offers, automated offers via your email list that you start to build to your customers and get revenue that way. That's really what your funnel is going to look like. So setting that up and being mindful of what a sales funnel is really going to help you out with any kind of business that you're creating online, which is why I threw that product in there. There's a lot to be learned in this product. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you really builds on that. Because it is important that when you have a website that you are capturing emails, because your email your email contact list, if you do it properly, can really be like a license to print money. What I mean by that is basically if you have an offer and you have a good list and you're able to match the right offer with the right audience or the right list, generally you can expect to generate a certain amount of revenue every time you send out an email. That's only if you're managing your email list correctly. This bonus I've thrown in will help you learn about managing an email list, email marketing secrets, so you can really utilize that aspect of your funnel. Bonus number 5 I've gotten is the vendor has hooked me up with a ton of bonuses, 36 bonuses in total. I'm not going to go through them all in detail, but really quickly, you can pause the screen there and check out what's on offer there. We've got email software, we've got WordPress plugins, we've got background music tracks, images, stock videos, other software that can help you make money through your website, different methods, more training, funnel mastery, commissions from YouTube, inspirational messages for use on Instagram, just a ton, a really wide variety of other bonus products there that really going to go hand in hand with what you can create with Crushrr. So if that all sounds good to you, step 1, click the link in the description, you go through to my bonus page, you lock in the bonuses by clicking on any of these green buttons, and that will then launch you off to the Crushrr sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through this in your own time, checking out the functions and features, how it works. You've got a money back guarantee there as well. And if you do decide to purchase, as I said, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And under the green button will be your Crushrr credentials, and under the blue button will be all the bonuses. That's 40 bonuses worth thousands of dollars there. And they'll be all under that blue button right there. If you have any problems, my email is there. Also, keep in mind that this is a launch week special, so keep your eye on this countdown timer because when it runs down to 0, any discount pricing you get via my link, exclusively through my link, all these bonuses, which are also exclusive through my link, they will no longer be available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price. So without further ado, let's get into an over-the-shoulder walkthrough of Crushrr so you can see exactly what to expect.
Hey, welcome to the quick demo of Crushrr, which is a fully automated Amazon affiliate site enabling you to make passive cash from Amazon being an affiliate with them. So once you log inside this software, you'll be seeing an area like this. This is the dashboard area. So first thing you need to do is go to the settings. Inside the settings, what we need to do is add the plugin to our blog or website. So all you need to do is click on this add new, and you need to add your blog name, blog URL, a blog username, and blog password like I have done here for myself. Okay, and then what you need to do is simply click on this plugin. It will get downloaded, and then simply upload this plugin inside your blog or website just by clicking on plugins and add new. As simple as that. Once you do that, it's going to show it to you inside your blog or website. That's it. It's a one-time setup because this is going to help us to link our blog or website to this particular software. This is just a one-time application. Then once it is done, all you need to do is go to campaigns area. Now let's say we want to start a fresh campaign, starting from the scratch. Okay, so we need to give it a campaign title. Let's say we want to do a campaign for kitchen knives. Okay, so give it a name, kitchen knife set. Okay, it says then unique code, and it says paste your code here. Okay, so for this particular area, what we'll do, we'll go to the Amazon.com associate site of yours. You can be from different country like UK, US, India, doesn't matter. Depending on your country, you'll be having your own Amazon associate site. In the detailed training section, I'm going to show it to you that how we can open an Amazon associate site for free of cost within a few minutes. So if you have already one, it's great. If you don't have, just follow the videos, it will be good to go. So inside your Amazon associate site, what we're going to do, we're going to pick up our own Amazon affiliate link, right? So we can get credited for the money we're making. So let's say we are going to put a keyword, or we can also do an ASIN code. So let's say we want to pick up a kitchen knife product. So all you need to do is click on knife and click on this go. So once you do that, you can see the different kitchen knives which people are selling in Amazon, and we can be an associate with the product and get a commission from Amazon just for doing that, just for recommending this product, and somebody buying this from our link. We're not even selling the product in Amazon, but just because someone is going to buy from our link, we're going to get credited by Amazon. So once you have done that, you can pick up any of this. So let's say I want to pick up this one, so I'll just click on get link. Okay, so once I do that, Amazon is going to give me different options like text and image, text only, image only, and add to widgets. So we'll be selecting image only all the time, and then we are going to do Control A, Control C, depending on which you're using, Mac or Windows. Just copy this code, then simply come to our software, just put the unique code as, let's say you're going to put knife 1 and paste the code. If you want to use multiple images, like multiple products you want to promote in a single post of yours, then you can add on the plus sign. Let's say we want to do it, give it a name knife 2, and we want to select another product. So all we need to do is just go back and again search for knife, and this time you can select a different knife. Let's say we want to select this one, so again we click on get link, and we'll do the same thing. We'll click on image only, and then we are going to simply copying this code, that's it, and paste it, and then we're going to click on next. Simple. And then it's going to ask us to search for the content. Now remember, you don't have to write any content for this particular software. You're going to simply search and scrap the ready-made content from the website. You're going to use it for yourself. This is how you can search either all web, or you can search on WordPress, Weebly, Tumblr, or Medium. Let's say we want to search on WordPress. Now since we're going to promote a knife, let's say we want to search for content which is related to the knife, because it should be congruent, right? So for this example, let's quickly select this particular this particular blog or ready-made article, and then we should be spinning this, because remember we need to use unique content for our own post. So it's going to spin the entire content for us, okay, and it's going to give us a fresh content to us all the time. Okay, so it's automatically done. If you want to change anything, you can do it now or you can do it later, no problem. Then simply click on next, then give it a post title. Okay, let's say we want to give it a title like best knife set for your home kitchen. All right, then we have also added an SEO tag, so it's our articles or contents automatically SEO enabled. So all I need to do is click on the generate SEO tags, enter the keyword knife. It's going to automatically find the related SEO for this. Simply click on use, then your content is ready. Click on this pencil sign. All you need to do here is insert this code which you already have got. So insert the code. The first code I want to insert here, and you can do either left or right. This is done. You can insert in the middle also, but for this example I just insert one code in the top and the second code at the end. Okay, if you want to insert one more code, you can do multiple, no problem. Okay, and you're going to save. Once you have saved it, just come down over here and click on next. Okay, select this and do save and publish, so that the content is now automatically published to your own blog or website. You can click on this arrow sign and it's going to show it to you in my blog. You can see this is a nice looking headline and this particular image has come. If you click, this is my own Amazon associate link. Somebody buys from here, it's going to give credit to me. The image must have also come over here and then at the end also, right? So you can either put it on the left hand side or right hand side. Okay, so you can see this is your own content. Within a few minutes your own content has come over here. with your unique Amazon affiliate link, with your unique content, and you haven't done any kind of writing for this, right? So how cool is that? Now if you want to do if you want to use social media, we have also enabled all social media buttons for you. You can share this in Facebook, in your own Facebook timeline. Don't try to post too much stuff in in different Facebook groups, because Facebook doesn't like that. So be careful about that. You can also post in Twitter, you can do Pinterest at your own will, no problem. You can also post it in LinkedIn. So you have enabled all the major social media for this. So that's it from this quick demo perspective. Of course, we have a detailed training program to step by step handhold you and take you through the entire process inside Crushrr. So use these applications, make money, and have fun.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on Crushrr and making some passive income online. Now, really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page again, I've taken some notes on the different pricing options and what you can expect while you're buying Crushrr and what upsells will be available to you. So the front end, which is basically everything you saw in the video, is $22. And you can upgrade that to the Pro Edition, which lets you customers unlock unlimited affiliate commissions and find winning Amazon products. The 100K Edition teaches customers how to make 100 grand a month on Amazon. So that's basically more training. Upsell number 3, Done For You Edition. So in this upgrade, the team delivers a done for you traffic and Amazon affiliate sales for your customers. And upsell 4, Diamond Edition. Reseller Edition gives you resale rights if you want to sell this product under your own banner. And upsell 5, Luxury Edition, custom experience, a very individual funnel setup experience. So really they do everything for you as far as the setup goes, squeeze pages, follow emails that you can send to customers and things like that. So that's really the more you pay, the more work they will do for you. I will say though that you do only need the front end option if you want access to all the bonuses I just talked about. So don't feel like you need to get all these bonuses. You do only need that. So when you take into consideration the amount of products you're getting for simple $22 if you get in early, there really is a ton of value on offer here, especially also when you throw into the fact that you're getting a money back guarantee. There's just not a lot to lose here. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to message me in the comments, social media, email. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, enjoy Crushrr. Hope you love those 40 bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.